I'm in the flyover now, the control post flyover Owerri, Imo State. So guys, I will be showing you guys the beauty of this flyover. You know, the flyover is open now, and since they open it, I have not entered here, I have not been here. So, but I was here when they are working it, when they are, you know, building it. So now they have finished it. This is my 5th time now to come here. So guys, I will show you guys everything about this flyover and the beauty and the control, how cars are moving. You know that in this place now, I did not see any road safety down there. I did not see any workers of road control down there, because all I see is that the cars are moving well accordingly. There is nobody controlling you. You have to follow your lane. Nobody will control you. In this flyover now, there is freedom. Like, you move around, you move to your lane. You don't have to block anybody. You don't have to stay in a hold up. Guys, I know this place, this control, as a place of hold up. I know this place as a place of hold up, guys. I'm really amazed. I'm really happy to see this place. Like, there's no hold up. See, this place is amazing. So guys, I will show you guys everything. Make sure you do like, subscribe to my channel. Let's go, guys. Let me show you guys how it's controlled here.